Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok comments not showing on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you're not being able to view your TikTok comments for your TikTok videos, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've connected your device to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, get connected, and once you're done with it, tap open TikTok to see if that fixes your comments. If it still does not, then make sure that you've turned on the comments feature on your TikTok videos. Tap open TikTok app from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into it. Once you're logged into your TikTok account, tap on the profile button at the lower right hand corner. From your profile page, go to the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner and give it a tap. Tap on Settings and Privacy. From the Settings and Privacy menu, tap Privacy. On the next page, go to the Comments option under Safety. Right where it says who can comment on your videos and stories, tap on Everyone or select Friends. If you don't want to receive comments from the public, you can choose Friends, or if you want to do that, you can choose Everyone. Now once you are done, go back to your TikTok homepage, give your application a quick refresh by tapping on the home button repeatedly, and once you are done, go to your profile, select any one videos and see if your TikTok comments are back or not. If that worked for you, then you can stop right there, but if you are still having problem, the next thing to do is to simply log out of your TikTok account. Go to profile by tapping on the profile button at the bottom right hand corner from the home page. From your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down from the Settings and Privacy page and tap on Log Out. In the pop-up, select Log Out and you'll be logged out of your TikTok account. Once you're done with it, go back to TikTok app and try logging into your account one more time by going to Profile, tapping on Sign Up, select your account. If needed, enter your credentials and log into your account again. And once you're logged in, see if that makes any kind of a difference. If it still does not, then simply get rid of your TikTok application from your system by simply press and hold your TikTok app and tapping on Uninstall. In the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping OK. Once the application gets uninstalled from your Android device, go back to Play Store and re-download the application. Once you've done that, tap open TikTok, log into your account and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to see comments on your TikTok posts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.